2026 Nokia 1100 4G brings back one of the most iconic mobile phones ever made, now redesigned with modern technology while keeping its original simplicity and reliability. This device is created for users who want a durable, long-lasting, and easy-to-use phone without the distractions of modern smartphones. The classic design remains familiar with a compact body, solid keypad, and strong build quality that feels comfortable in hand and extremely dependable in daily use. The phone features a refreshed exterior with a slightly larger display compared to the original version, offering better visibility for messages, calls, and basic apps. The screen is bright enough for outdoor use and optimized for low power consumption, ensuring that the battery lasts for extended periods. The iconic keypad has been improved with better tactile feedback, making typing messages and dialing numbers smoother and more accurate even in low-light conditions. One of the biggest upgrades in the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G is its support for 4G connectivity, allowing users to experience clearer voice calls through HD voice technology. Call quality is significantly improved, with better noise reduction and stable signal reception even in areas with weaker networks. This makes the device highly reliable for communication, especially in rural or remote regions where network strength can be inconsistent. Battery life remains one of the strongest features of this phone. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, the Nokia 1100 4G can last several days on a single charge with regular use. Standby time extends even longer, making it an excellent choice for travelers, outdoor workers, and anyone who needs a dependable backup phone. Charging is now more convenient with a modern port that supports faster charging speeds compared to older models. The phone also includes essential features such as a built-in flashlight, which continues to be a practical tool in everyday situations. The flashlight is brighter and more efficient, easily accessible through a dedicated button. In addition, the device supports wireless FM radio, allowing users to listen to music and news without needing headphones. This adds to the overall convenience and entertainment value of the phone. Storage capabilities have been improved with support for expandable memory through a micro SD card, enabling users to store contacts, messages, and even some media files. While the phone is not designed for heavy multimedia usage, it still allows basic music playback and simple file storage, which is more than enough for its target audience. The user interface is clean and straightforward, making navigation quick and easy for users of all ages. Durability is a key highlight of the Nokia 1100 4G. Built with strong materials, the phone is resistant to minor drops, dust, and daily wear and tear. This makes it ideal for tough environments such as construction sites, farms, or outdoor adventures. The solid construction ensures that the device remains functional even under challenging conditions, maintaining the legacy of its predecessor. Security and privacy are also prioritized in this model. With a simple operating system and limited internet capabilities, the risk of malware and data breaches is significantly reduced. Users can feel confident that their personal information remains safe, especially compared to more complex smartphones that are often targeted by cyber threats. The phone focuses on essential communication without unnecessary complications. Another important feature is the improved audio system. The speaker is louder and clearer, making it easier to hear calls and alerts even in noisy surroundings. The vibration feedback is also stronger, ensuring that users do not miss important notifications. These enhancements contribute to a more reliable communication experience. The Nokia 1100 4G also supports basic internet browsing for essential tasks, though it is designed to keep things minimal. This allows users to check simple information when needed without being overwhelmed by modern apps and distractions. It strikes a balance between connectivity and simplicity, giving users just enough functionality to stay informed. For those who value nostalgia, this phone brings back the classic gaming experience with preloaded simple games that are easy to play and enjoyable during free time. These games are lightweight and do not consume much battery, making them perfect for quick entertainment without draining resources. This device is especially useful as a secondary phone. Many users prefer to carry it alongside their smartphones for emergencies, travel, or situations where battery life and durability are more important than advanced features. It serves as a reliable backup that can be trusted when needed most. The design also includes improved ergonomics, with a textured back for better grip and a balanced weight that feels sturdy without being too heavy. The compact size allows it to fit easily into pockets, making it highly portable and convenient for everyday carry. In terms of affordability, the Nokia 1100 4G is expected to remain budget-friendly, making it accessible to a wide range of users. It offers excellent value for those who prioritize reliability, battery life, and simplicity over high-end specifications. This makes it a practical choice for both young users and older individuals who prefer straightforward devices. Overall, the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G successfully combines classic design with modern improvements. It stays true to its roots while adapting to current connectivity standards, making it relevant in today's market. The focus on durability, long battery life, and essential features ensures that it meets the needs of users who want a dependable and distraction-free mobile experience. If you enjoy content like this and want to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and classic device comebacks, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more detailed videos and insights on upcoming innovations and retro-inspired tech.